So guys, for the past couple days, my channel's been sitting at 99 subscribers. Actually, maybe only been a day or two. I don't remember how long, but I do know that one of these days there's gonna be that 100 subscribers on there. So I'm gonna be filming myself as I go and check my live subscriber count. This is a moment that I've been really waiting for a super long time. I've been waiting for that 100 subscribers there on the screen. So let's go find out. Oh my gosh, that's awesome! 100 subscribers? 100 people are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Here, guys, look, I'm gonna go ahead and transition this into a montage of all the amazing things that I've shared on my channel so far that have made this possible. And before I do though, I wanna thank you guys for subscribing, for sticking through, for watching the videos. I really appreciate it, and I mean, it's only bigger and better places that we can go from here, but that's so awesome. Yeah, guys, let's get into that little montage.
Everybody, we are over at my friend Calvin's house right now, and hey guys, today I thought I was...
What is going on, guys? I hope you're all doing so.
What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna go over to my friend's house. Everybody has everything to tell this is like hot. I'm going.
I decided to come outside and film this section with my Tacoma, not because I was like, I want to show it off or anything, or I'd be like, yeah, but this thing it's really been a part of what's inspired this YouTube channel. So I felt it would be fitting if I did this while I was in front of it, so you guys can see a little bit of it at least. But I want to say thank you to all 100 of my subscribers. That's a crazy number to think of, really. I started this channel about 8 months ago, I guess, the beginning of 2018, and you know, growth it's been slower than I would have hoped, but it's happened, and finally being at 100 is something kind of blows my mind, because there's been a lot of times that I've thought about stopping making videos just because I wasn't growing at the rate I thought. I wasn't being as successful as I'd hoped, but here we are at 100 subscribers, and I mean, from here onward, let's keep going. Let's keep making this channel better and better. So yeah, guys, thank you again so much. Thank you for watching this video, celebrating this momentous occasion with me, and thank you for your support and your assistance as I've made videos. Really appreciate all the feedback I've gotten, negative and positive. It's all helped make this channel what it is, and I have you guys for that. So thank you. Please keep watching. I want to do nothing but better and better things on this channel, and so I hope you guys are looking forward to that, and see where we can take this YouTube channel, guys. Let's go. Darby Productions, let's go into the top. We got 100. What's 2 million, right? That's really all I got for this video. Again, thank you so much. And if you did enjoy this and seeing the growth that the channel's experienced, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends so that we can keep getting this channel bigger and bigger. But thanks again, guys. Peace out.